Many experts across the world have hailed China's path to common prosperity, which benefits everyone in the country instead of just a few.
The goal of achieving common prosperity for all the 1.4 billion Chinese people is a audacious and a very courageous decision. There is no country in the world which has tried to achieve common prosperity for such a large population. Unless prosperity is shared by all, it is not socialism at all. China, as we all know, has achieved the stupendous goal of removing extreme poverty. After that, they have set the goal of achieving common prosperity, and I am fully confident that the Chinese people, the Chinese government, and the Chinese Communist Party will together achieve the goal of common prosperity.
They have achieved a lot in the development of the economy, in economic growth. It means that now they have to move to the next stage, which is getting people to enjoy the benefits of that growth. After all, now this is where the new thrust of the China is. Continue the thrust of growing the economy, but then ensure that now the benefits are largely felt within the population.
It's not just building the economy. It's not just building the economy in a growth mode. And so by emphasizing common prosperity, by emphasizing beautiful China, you're creating a very balanced model of the path to modernization. And then we saw perhaps more emphasis than I've seen prior to say that China is not only developing for itself, but offering its path of modernization as a new path for modernization for other countries.